Hi. Today we're going to unbox a new toy from Fisher-Price called Little People. We're so glad you could be here today.
So, I'm Anthony, and I'm gonna be helping unbox it. Oh, there's my scissors. So, this is made by Fisher-Price, and it's only at Aldi's. I mean, guys, Aldi's exclusive, so it looks like a pretty fun toy. Now, let's just start unboxing. So, let's see. We gotta see here. So, it has Aldi Fun play sets. See that? Aldi Fun Conference, Aldi Fun Make, Kinder, Aldi Market, Setup, Supermarket, Aldi Fun Playset, okay? So it's made by Fisher-Price. Now, we're gonna start unboxing, right?
Great, it's exciting. I can't wait to see it open.
Okay. So let's unbox and cut it. Let's see. Okay, oh, let me see. Oh, right here. Yeah, unbox. Okay. Oh, let's see. Right here.
This is a toy that children anywhere 3 years and over can enjoy. Is that right?
Yeah, but sadly we aren't gonna sell this toy because it's only exclusive to Aldi's, and we don't want to get all caught up and messed up. So we sadly don't ever expect this into our ED Doug Market. Sorry, but if you have an Aldi's nearby, you might just be able to go pick it up.
Yes, Aldi's is in the United States of America. Very famous.
Okay, so now we're gonna get our toy. Actually, this was Aldi Play. They also sell other stuff like kitchen appliances and all that, food. But this is Aldi Play. Publix. No, I don't think Publix is Publix Play. Do you think? So
Not sure.
let's continue unboxing here.
Aldi's is Aldi's.
Yep, that was Aldi and I heard. Aldi's is Aldi's. Yep. So let's unbox this thing. Oh, woo! There it is. It's getting out. It's getting. Oh, at the back. Let me just cut this right here.
We're doing this live. In other words,
We're not doing it live.
the point is, we didn't rehearse this. We're doing this video right while we're doing it.
Here's the back. Just gotta get untied. Let's see what this is. Whoa. More complicated. than
Don't
I
forget
think.
to subscribe.
Yep, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You know the routine.
Let's-
You know the drill.
Yep. Oh, I better just cut it so real quickly and get this thing boxed. Cut.
It's like an exciting toy. You've got little people here. You got a cash register, and a purse type, or a shopping bag, I should say. And looks pretty interesting. I'd say it's pretty good for only at Aldi. Made by Fisher-Price.
Yeah, that's because they had a sponsorship probably of a couple million. Honestly. Probably.
This is the first time we bought this toy.
Yep, a first time. Other people buy a toy and then they buy another one and then they're left with these two and they don't know what to do with the second. So that's why I just recommend when you make an unboxing video, you just get it first so you're not left with this other thing that's doing in your garage because you're not using it. So
That's a tip from
Yep.
John Anthony.
yep. Now let's get see that? I'm getting this off. Oh, the people came out. There's the people. We're getting the people out. They're free. They're free. After all that factory.
They've been tied up for a long time.
Yeah. Now we're going to get this thing here.
We called, but they said they're all tied up.
Let's get this thing here. Oh, yep.
We're looking on the shopping bag right now.
There's a shopping bag now.
Aldi's shopping bag, brought to you by Fisher-Price.
Let me see if you can. It might be too big. Okay, it might be too big for him.
What else you got here?
We got this cash register, which I don't know what's holding it. Wait, oh, there. Wait, sign at the bottom. Oh, there's a.
Little twist offs, huh?
These are.
Turn them.
Yep, there.
Turn to your left, which is counterclockwise.
Yep, there. Wait, this way? Yep.
Another way.
Oh, this way. Yep, got him out. Whoa,
There you
now
go.
we got this thing out.
All right.
Now we're gonna get the food.
If you've been to Aldi's before, this might be familiar with you. This is the cash register.
Let's get this thing.
Of course, it wouldn't be the same if you didn't have a shopping cart.
Yep, obviously. There's a shopping cart right there. Let me zoom in on this camera. Excuse me. I wish Waldina was here to do the camera work. Oh, there.
Don't worry, this is live TV, so these things happen.
Now, sadly, but our camera battery's getting low, so we'll have to quickly do this unboxing. So let's just get quickly this thing unboxed.
Doing a great job, Anthony.
Let's just pause so our battery will be able to last long enough. Okay, now we're back. No, sorry for that, but we're back. Okay, I brought in our light system, so it looks good. Okay, so I unboxed most of it, so our camera would die. But you probably get it most of it. So here's the cart. This grocery cart.
A shopping cart to put the food or what have you into.
Oh, I have no idea who patented this thing in the back. What is this? This is this thing. The audience, in the comments, tell us if anyone knows why did they put this thing in the back. I have no idea. What is it? Wait. It's so the characters can stand and move along with their cart.
Yeah, we figured out right on the video. Amazing.
Well, it looks kind of weird, you know. It looks like a little child came and put a little motor in here because
Well, it's a cart for little people. Little people need like a little extra help.
Oh, I guess so. Yeah. Anyone in the comments tell us why they made it blue and why they made it like this, so the people can do this.
Well, look
right?
for the comments.
Yeah. Instead of just having the people go along with their cart like this. Okay. You can let us know in the comments just tell us what you think about this video and what videos you would like. Okay, now we're back here. So this is the fully unboxed product. Sorry, box. Let's just. Okay, we'll clean that up later. Now, here's our figures. This little guy. Her name is. She doesn't have a name. So. This is the cash register here. There we go. Hey, you're bringing the box back?
I'm trying to see if she has a name. Nope, no name.
Yeah, so this is where they come in on their little thing. Yeah, she goes ahead, buys some groceries off the wait. I need to firstly see how. Buy some groceries. Oh, this is her checklist, so you can see what she's buying. You see boop, 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 boop. And here's another guy. Boy and girl. And we already bought some stuff. Now we can go pay for it. And here's a little bag where they put their stuff in. Then I go here, spin. Wait, is this a lottery? What is that? Whatever it is, they spin, and they pay, put the money, then they're going to put their little baggies in here, they're going to bag up the items, and then the bag, they're going to put it in here.
Aldi bag.
Yeah, and go home. I mean, maybe I should order them a Lego car, I'm just kidding. So, this is the unboxed product. I mean, some of you might think it's boring. If you think of this set is boring, well, because if you think it's really basic, you know, it's like, it's 1+ actually. So, if any of you think if this product is boring, Aldi Play sells much more stuff that isn't boring. They sell, also Fisher Price. They sell similar products in Russian, actually. Fisher Price sells more than just Aldi products. They sell Robot, they sell all this, they sell Thomas the Train. Those products may be more exciting than Little People, because you see it's really basic, you know.
I think it's exciting.
He thinks it's exciting.
I like it.
It is sort of exciting, but it's not the best in the world, you know. Like, you know, our little guys, not to boast, but our little guys might be a little bit more exciting, you know.
But you know,
little robots.
yeah, whenever you get something like from Publix or Walmart, truck or something, this is an Aldi's cash register and a shopping experience.
Yeah, and also Aldi sells more than just cash registers. They sell toy Fisher Price stuff, sponsored. They sell Legos. They made their own Legos. It's not a legal sponsor out, sadly. not licensed. They sell Legos. I mean, not Legos, but Aldi bricks, which is very similar to Legos. They sell bricks, all building Aldi logo or build an Aldi store. They sell, oh my, they sell this. They sell many more things.
And bananas too, and avocados.
I'm just talking about the PlayStation owner, or CEO of Educational Doug.
That's me.
So, this is the fully unboxed product. Now, if you have any 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, or little kids, this will probably be a good gift. I mean, for how much did it cost? $24?
$7? Wasn't that much, was it?
19.
19 for this?
Well, how much was it,
back.
Baldina? How much was it?
Huh?
90.
19, let's take it back, get our money back.
And yeah, it can be a bit pricey just for some injected mold plastic. So
Don't tell all these we said that.
let's go with our items. See if they're going with the bag.
No, I'm just kidding. It's well worth it just to have the unboxing experience with you online.
Yep.
All
Now,
the subscribers who are watching.
now we're gonna say goodbye. And
Hey, have a good day.
okay, bye.